Hi, welcome to the second in a series on entering mailing addresses into Excel. So, going back to our Excel spreadsheet where we separated out street number into a different column and street name and street type, we're now going to put them all together. We're going to call this column full address. We're going to concatenate together this value, and this value. First of all, let's go ahead and fill in our blanks here. All right, now let's concatenate these. We start with the equal sign to tell Excel that we are about to put in a formula. We use our left arrow key to arrow over to street number, or you can use your mouse. Do ampersand plus, because you're concatenating. If we were adding two values, we would just use plus, but we're not adding, we're concatenating strings together. Then we back out the mistake that got in there. So we did equals F2, which is the street number, ampersand plus. Then we're going to do double quote, space, double quote to put in the space in between. Then we say ampersand plus, and we go over to the street name, ampersand plus, and again we enter a space, double quote around that space, ampersand plus, and the final street type. And we get the entire address. I'm going to move over a little bit here. All right, and again, it's a big ugly formula that we can just copy on down, and you can see that it copied down every time the full address. So that's how you concatenate rows in Excel, or in this case, columns. Thank you.